am here with the next lesson of mathematics. My today's topic is the 4 basic operations of mathematics. So let's start. The 4 basic operations in mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have already learnt how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the numbers in our previous classes. Now we will learn these operations on large numbers. The first basic operation of mathematics is addition. Let's see common terms used in addition. Addends. The numbers to be added are called addends. Sum. The result of addition is called sum. For example, if we add 2 crore 45 lakh 89,706 and 1 crore 77 lakh 98,043, these numbers are known as addends. And when we add them, we get 4 crore 23 lakh 87,749, and this number is known as sum. See the properties of addition. When we add 1 to a whole number, we get its successor. For example, 6 crore 54 lakh 73,893 plus 1 gives 6 crore 54 lakh 73,894. When we add 0 to a whole number, we get the number itself. That means the sum does not change. For example, 2 crore 56 lakh 48,701 plus 0 gives us the same sum, 2 crore 56 lakh 48,701. The sum of the numbers does not change if the order of the numbers added is changed. For example, if we have to add 254 and 650, we can arrange them in any order. The result will remain same. When 3 or more numbers are added, the change in the grouping of addends will not change the sum. For example, if we have 3 numbers 635, 107 and 328 for addition, we can keep them in any order. It will not affect the result. Here, the bracket shows which 2 numbers we are going to add first. In class 4, we have already learnt the addition of 2 or more numbers by arranging them in vertical column. Let us practice it with large numbers. Step 1. We arrange the given numbers in columns: ones under ones, tens under tens, 100 under 100 and so on. Step 2. Starting from ones place, we add the digits in each column, taking the carryover, if any, to the next column to the left and adding it along with the digit in that column. We continue this process till we add the digits in all the columns. For example, 2 numbers are given here for addition: 3 crore 50 lakh 74,690 and 6 crore 64 lakh 10,070. We will arrange addend 1 first and addend 2 below it. Now let's start addition from extreme right, that is ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 7 is 16. Now from 16, 1 will be carried over to the next column and 6 will be written below. Now next column we have 6 and 0. 6 plus 1 carry over 7. Next is 4 plus 0, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 0 plus 4, 4. 5 plus 6, 11. Again here we have 2 digits. 1 will be carried over and 1 will be copied under this column. Now next is 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1 carryover 10. So the sum is 10 crore 14 lakh 84,760.
Next comes finding the missing addend. The missing addend can be found out by subtracting the given addend from the sum. So how you are going to find the missing addend? One addend they will be given, okay, and the second sum will be given, okay. So what you should do, sum and one addend you need to subtract. For example, here they have given these, see dear children, step 1, subtract the given addend from the sum. See here, the sum of two numbers is how much? 6,49,453. If one of the number is 89,578, find the other. See here, they have given only these two numbers, dear children. This is the sum what they have given, okay, and one addend they have given. So first what you should do, the sum you need to write here, and the next first addend you need to subtract. So whatever the answer you get, that will be the second addend, okay. So check your answer as follows. So first addend and the second addend. See here, first addend 89,578 written here, and the second addend what you got the answer here, you need to write here, okay. After that, when you add these numbers, you will get the sum what they have given here, okay. Like that you need to do the sum, okay. So this will be the introduction of today's class, dear children, only about there are 4 fundamental operations. Do you know that? Yes. So 4 fundamental operations. In that, first one is addition. So we will do the addition, then later on we will go to the second fundamental operation, that is subtraction, okay. Till here you need to understand properly, okay. Thank you.